Start recording.
Hello, this is Nancy Worstead. I've been drinking so much beer. Ah! Ah! What the hell? I'm Cleveland. From over there, we don't make such words. It's a shit in the wall. Ah! 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 Ah!
What the fuck is that? I hear a bird out here, but I'm not sure, Bob. It's a bird, but it can talk like a big FUC.
What the hell does FVC mean, dumbass? I'm a chicken, not a fucking bird. I'm like a bird, but I won't poop out shit. I just wanna kiss you. Are you gay? 'Cause I'm just wondering. Ah! Ah! Okay, Nancy.
I tell you what, if that bird shits on the couch, I'm gonna tell you to take it outside.
What the hell? I didn't see a bird poop on that couch. Ah! Ah!
Oh.
Ah! 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 Hey, what the hell?
I hear what? I'm Stewie. Oh, this every day. We don't say, I'm Bob. Just shut up. I just want to be alone, so you don't mess with girls. I like a lot of girls, but they weren't around at the time when I was in the 1486. Oh my God, I have a beard. Can't you see a beard on my goatee? No, the F no. You see F all schools because they don't make a lot of sense when you're in school. I saved Navasville, though.
Look!
Hack! 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 Uh-oh. A bird's coming this way to peck off my you-know-what to the you-know-where.
Alert. Low battery.
Dang.
10% battery. Close button. YouTube. Back button. Back. Stop recording.